Welcome to New Car Lux Reviews, the home of premium automotive insights where innovation, elegance, and power take center stage. Today, we're taking a closer look at a vehicle that defines what luxury means in the modern age, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. This is more than just a car. It's the gold standard of comfort, cutting-edge technology, and sophisticated engineering. The S-Class has always been the flagship of Mercedes-Benz, but the 2026 model doesn't just carry the legacy, it evolves it in every way possible. From the moment your eyes meet the new S-Class, there's an undeniable presence. Its sleek yet muscular silhouette, redesigned front fascia, and flowing body lines give it a commanding look that's both powerful and graceful. The newly refined grille design speaks of status and strength, while the multi-beam LED headlights introduce a new level of visual sharpness. The body, crafted with aerodynamic precision, reduces drag while increasing stability and fuel efficiency. This isn't just about looking good, it's about moving with purpose. Step inside, and it becomes immediately clear why this vehicle is often referred to as a rolling luxury suite. The interior of the 2026 S-Class has been completely reimagined to surround occupants with the finest in design, material quality, and personalized technology. You'll find the cabin lined with the highest quality Nappa leather, polished wood veneers, aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting that brings the space to life. Every switch, every panel, every stitch has been crafted with obsessive attention to detail. The front seats are sculpted to support your body with perfect ergonomics, but they also offer features that feel like they're from the future. Heating, cooling, multi-mode massage functions, and memory settings are just the beginning. The cabin is quiet, remarkably quiet, thanks to active noise cancellation and triple-layered glass. Whether you're in the front or reclining in the executive rear seats, you're cocooned in silence and serenity. And then there's the technology, an area where the 2026 S-Class absolutely dominates. At the center of the dashboard is a massive OLED touchscreen that flows into the instrument cluster, creating a seamless digital landscape. Mercedes' latest generation MBUX system powers the experience, with AI-driven voice control that learns your preferences, understands natural speech, and can even detect emotions through tone. Say, "I'm cold," and the temperature will adjust automatically. Want to change the lighting, get directions, or call someone? It's all done through intelligent voice interaction. Biometric authentication has also been enhanced. The S-Class recognizes your fingerprint, facial structure, and even your voice, so every setting, from seat position to navigation history and media preferences, is personalized the moment you enter. And it doesn't stop there. The MBUX interior assistant uses cameras to detect hand gestures, so you can control features with just a wave. Performance has always been at the heart of the S-Class experience, and the 2026 version offers multiple powertrain options to suit your preference. Whether you go for the refined turbocharged inline-six, the powerful V8, or the all-new hybrid version, you'll find power that's smooth, responsive, and impressively efficient. Acceleration is strong but composed, delivering a confident surge without ever feeling aggressive. The 9-speed automatic transmission shifts seamlessly, always choosing the perfect gear without hesitation. Ride quality is on another level, thanks to the Airmatic air suspension system that reads the road and adjusts in real time. The car seems to float over imperfections, soaking up bumps and uneven surfaces like they don't exist. Handling is graceful and controlled, offering just enough feedback to keep you connected to the road while insulating you from its harshness. For those in colder or unpredictable climates, the 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures consistent grip and peace of mind in all conditions. Let's not forget safety, an area where Mercedes-Benz always leads the industry. The 2026 S-Class comes loaded with the most advanced safety technology ever seen in a production sedan. Adaptive cruise control, lane centering, emergency steering assist, blind spot monitoring, cross-traffic alert, and automatic emergency braking are all standard. The car even prepares itself in the milliseconds before a potential collision, tightening seatbelts, adjusting the suspension, and preparing airbags for optimal deployment. The semi-autonomous driving features have also been upgraded. On the highway, the S-Class can manage speed, lane positioning, and traffic flow with minimal input, giving you a more relaxed and confident drive. With remote parking assistance, you can park your car while standing outside, using just your smartphone. It's intelligent, it's safe, and it's surprisingly effortless. Now let's talk about the rear seat experience, which truly sets the S-Class apart from anything else on the road. If you're being chauffeured, the backseat is your throne. Executive seats with full recline function, individual climate zones, entertainment screens with wireless streaming, fold-out work tables, a champagne cooler, and a scent system that fills the cabin with a fragrance of your choice. It's more like a private jet than a car. In terms of connectivity, the 2026 S-Class is built for the digital world. Over-the-air software updates mean your car is always up to date. The Mercedes Me app allows you to control and monitor your vehicle remotely. Start the engine, precondition the cabin, check range, schedule maintenance, or locate your car, all from your phone. It's convenience redefined for the modern age. Sustainability is another major focus in the 2026 S-Class. Mercedes-Benz has committed to its Ambition 2039 goals, and this model reflects that vision. The hybrid versions offer impressive electric-only driving range, while interiors now incorporate more sustainable materials like responsibly sourced wood, plant-based textiles, and recycled plastics, all without compromising luxury. The craftsmanship, the drive, the intelligence, the comfort, every detail of the 2026 Mercedes S-Class speaks of a brand that refuses to settle for anything less than perfection. It's not just a car you drive, it's an experience you live. Every time you enter, it reminds you that you've arrived, not just at your destination, but in life. Whether you're a loyal S-Class enthusiast or just discovering what Mercedes-Benz has to offer, this model sets a new standard for what a luxury sedan can be. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into its features, take it on the road, and give you a complete experience of what it's like to live with the most advanced S-Class ever built. This is New Car Lux Reviews, where the world's finest vehicles come to life. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the future of luxury. Let's explore greatness, one masterpiece at a time,